Hi everyone, so welcome back to YouTube channel. So in this video we talk about how to improve our fluency in the English. It is a day by day. It is easy to improve our communication skill and as well as the fluency. So you guys, so you put the practice initially. It is the struggling. I know. I think you also the realized. I think it is a must for the beginners. After that, they improve our the fluency. You put the speak slowly. So that is a very important because of if you speak slowly, you have to time to thinking what the word you will use to the next frame or the next sentence. So this is the mainly used for the beginner to advanced level, I think, because of the everyone there are the speak the fluency. Some of them is a fast and some of them is a slowly. So I think if you speak with yourself, it is the English. For example, I can speak with myself instead of myself. I can speak English easily, but I can't speak the loud. So if you're doing like this, or if you're handling this kind of the situation, so you must try to speak English. It is the slowly. So it is a useful for you because of I'm also like initially struggling the lot because of after that I speak too slowly, try to like how to sentence framing. I'm also still working on it, my sentence framing, and get the full pronunciation as well as the fluency. So it is a most important for the every beginners as well as every conversation. So that is the takeaway from my experience, I think. So you put the practice with the fluency because of it's a most important for everything. Why I am saying means because of some people are they are thinking, yeah, you can just speak the English with the fluency, but if you haven't the fluency, some people are just think, yeah, you haven't the skill, you haven't the exposure, you are struggling to the speak English. Some people are thinking, but I think that is a not true because of we have the ability, but we can't express the our thoughts in the English or some other language because of we are the choosing the second language, but we are the learning within the 1 month or within the 1 week. How can I do? So that is a very wrong because of, for example, for we are the birth, like okay, the every child there are the learning the our mother tongue, or they will be seeking, they will be speak. It is a take time around the 1 or 2 years. After that they are speaking. So how to we are thinking, yeah, we can speak easily the English within the 1 month or within the 1 week. So it is a take time, guys. So you should wait for that. You put the practice for the communication skill every day. So if you the practicing every day, yeah, you can easily got, I think, because of I became a software developer. So I am working on myself. I am also even every day the schedule. It is the most important because of I am also spending so much of time in the social media, but same time I am the practicing my communication skills and listening. It is important. I am said the some other videos. So if you don't watch it, so go and watch it those videos. It is makes helpful for you. So I am said the listening is important because of what some people are there are said what you will be understanding. So that is a most important. You will be thinking same time you will be speaking the simultaneously. It is happening. So you could, if you're trying to improve your fluency, so you could like little bit. It is a struggling a lot, I think, initially. So you could the practice the day by day. You could learn some other new words, how to express our thought, how to articulating our thought. So you could the try on it. So after that you could easily there, I think. So thanks for watching. If you like this video, so don't forget to subscribe my channel. So if you have any idea or if you have any suggestions for me, so please let me know in the comment section. I will wait for that. So we're gonna see next video. So don't wait for the perfect time. It is a never game. So start now. It is the most important, I think. Okay, bye. We're gonna see next video.